Hey, so basically today I'm going to be doing fireworks and I'm really excited. So yeah, also I posted another video, but it is not downloading, so it might not be posted, so I might only be doing one video today. Actually, I did two, but the other one's not downloading. So I'm sorry about that, but we are going to do fireworks. Hope you like them.
I think it's big at least. Oh, it's huge. Huge. I think it's just Sparky.
It is.
Oh,
Oh, it's getting bigger. What is it? Is that it? I think that's it.
yeah. Probably it.
Yep.
Never
Don't touch it. It might be something else. That was fun.
Hey, Carson.
Sparkler, and yeah, we are doing a zooming one, and it's going to be really fun. So we're doing a zoomie. Whoa! It went up. Oh, it's green. Whoa! And that's a zoomie.
That's not the branch, is it? No. Was it last year we were at Bradford? Yeah.
Literally, you can watch them for
Every.
Yeah, last year
We had pizza
we were. Yep.
and that heavy traffic.
Probably better to go up and get off.
Hey guys, please subscribe and thanks for watching. Also, it's the morning, so my voice is kind of bad. I don't know why I'm recording in the morning, but thanks for watching.